Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in.
Hey everybody, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy, and today I have an ultimate clean slash a little bit of decorating for you. We're going to do a mini makeover in the laundry area, which you're about to see a sneak peek of. But I hope this video brings you tons of motivation. I have a list to share with y'all, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video if you want to see the mini laundry makeover. And yeah, let's go ahead and get motivated to clean. Let me know in the comments down below if you clean with me or if you watch this to get motivated to clean.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool.
Alright, so here is my list for the day. Sometimes y'all ask me what kind of cleaning I do throughout the week, so I thought I would share this with you. So today is Surface Sunday. We are going to sweep, mop, wipe knobs down, fridge, oven, any kind of touch point, freezer, mirrors, sinks, counters, vacuum the living room, clean my makeup brushes because they are in desperate need of that, and I'm going to dust. But this is what we do on the weekdays. I do laundry as soon as the washing machine is full. So every time we take our clothes off, we put it in the washing machine. Once it's full, we do a load of laundry. So there's only 2 of us. We do about 3 loads of laundry a week. I do dishes every day, make my bed every morning. Toilets and tub is Tuesdays, and then kitchen counters are every day, multiple times a day. So that is pretty much my cleaning routine throughout the week, but Sundays is going to be the most because we are going to get it all done. Now there are times where I'm just like haven't followed this, so I'm having to do like all of this in one day, which is a big task. So I like to separate it out through days. If y'all remember Jen, I don't know if she makes videos anymore, but she used to have a weekly schedule. Every day she would do a different room, and that is similar to what I do, and I love that because you don't have to do a ton of cleaning every day. But let me show you what I picked out at Dollar General, and then we'll go ahead and get into the cleaning portion of this video. So I got some refills of the Swiffer duster. This stuff works great. I got some scouring pads. These are so good. Barkeeper's Friend, a lot of y'all told me to try this on my bathtub where there's some rust. Got this Sprayway foaming glass and like mirror cleaner CLR. I got some of this. We're going to freshen up our carpets today. And I also got some Resolve Pet Expert stain remover and odor remover because we have a little chihuahua. Some of y'all have asked, she does use these little pads right here, and we put them in the plastic trap so she can't get it on other spots, but sometimes she still has accidents. If y'all watch my carpet cleaning video, you know this already. But this is what I picked up from Dollar General. Let me know if you've tried any of these and how you like them, and some other cleaning products down below that you have that are your favorites. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and start out using this powder by Arm & Hammer. It's in a lavender scent. It smells really good, and it's just going to help freshen up our carpets. I do this maybe once or twice a month, but I probably should do it once a week. I love using this stuff though, and it's like $2 just about anywhere you go.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my...
Alright, so while that powder is seeping into the carpet and really doing its job, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the counters, the fridge, the stove, and the freezer, and then I will work my way down to the floor, and we're going to sweep and mop. That's how I like to do it. Let me know if y'all have ever accidentally done your floors first and then went to go wipe down your counter and you're like, crap, I'm getting stuff all over the floor again. So I always like to work from top to bottom. It just makes the most sense. But let's go ahead and get that done. Also, I'm gonna wash my sink with the Barkeeper's Friend. So let's do it. I hope this video is motivating y'all today to get up and clean a space in your home, even if it's just a counter. Do something little each day, and I promise you it will make a huge difference.
I'll try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up. Lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time. And I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me up tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. It's the right time. You feeling alright? I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. I think I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through. Get you out of your comfort zone. 'Cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up. 'Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with a habit to the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You see, you make everything. I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the
Alright, so I got all the surfaces done on the top. Now I'm going to sweep and mop. I feel like that took me longer, so I may not have talked a lot in the voiceover, but now I'm going to sweep and mop this area. I'm probably going to wipe down the washer and dryer too, and then sweep and mop down there, and then I will go back and vacuum the living room.
I can't place. And now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb. 'Cause I just wanna be here in our hometown, running free. But there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard.
Alright, so I haven't put away all my cleaning products yet, but aside from that, the kitchen is looking so much better. Actually, I like that Barkeeper's Friend. It does not have a strong smell at all. Like, I didn't even smell it, and I will say the Comet has a very strong smell, but some of these cleaning products we're still going to use, so that's why they're still out. But floor's looking nice, shiny. Now it's time to vacuum. This candle smells like fresh laundry. It's a sun-drenched linen scent from Bath & Body Works. You must try it. I can't wait till May 1st when I can plant all of these that are in the styrofoam cups, because they're a huge eyesore, but I should be able to do that very soon, here in a few weeks. So now we're finally going to get back in here and vacuum.
What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me.
I forgot to tell y'all, I got new lights for the house. So these are called daylights, and they are going to make my videos so much brighter and like more of a cool tone instead of yellowy looking, because when I turned the brightness up with my yellow lights that I used to have, it made the whole house look yellow. So let me know if you like the brighter videos. I feel like they just look so much better, and yeah, it makes a huge difference.
So curious.
How much stuff got in the vacuum cleaner? So now I'm just going to empty out the can, and then I'm going to move to doing my doorknobs. And I'm trying out this new Fabulosa wipes. I've never seen them before, so let me know if that's something new, or have y'all seen those before. But I've never seen them. This is so cool.
And I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I got it.
So now I'm just going to clean my mirrors with this sprayway. It foams up. I thought that was really cool. It reminded me of being in a car wash, and it did work really well. It didn't leave any residue on the mirror. And then I'm going to get my makeup brushes together, and I'm just going to soak them in my kitchen sink with some shampoo.
Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know. I just wanna let you know.
Alright, so I'm excited. I'm letting my makeup brushes soak in the sink with some shampoo and hot water. Then I'll go back and rinse them off real good. I got this big glass jar right here. It's like a tea jar. This was $8 at Dollar General. It's really cute metal on the top. And then these two were only $3.50. And you can use the chalk to write what you're going to put on there. What I'm going to do today is put my liquid laundry detergent in here. You could just buy a really big jar without this if you use the pods or the powder, but I use liquid, so I'm going to use that for that. And then these two, I'm going to put my dryer balls in one of them, and I'm going to put my little beads in the other one. So this is going to look super cute and motivate me to use my beads and use my dryer balls, because those two things I always forget to do. So let's go ahead and put this together.
Promises and alibis. I don't believe. Told me you would change my world. Now I know what you are worth. Gone and lost your hold on me. I don't believe. Have me acting like a fool to no use. Got me wondering why you still you're giving me nothing. A whole lot of nothing, baby. Would have settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. Boy, you're dialing a zero. No hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you. Every now and then you lose in life. What you're risking when you roll the dice. Now I'm gonna place the bet on me. I do believe you will learn what it's like to fail. Gave a little and far too late. Now it's time for you to up and leave. I do believe. Still you're giving me nothing. A whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the...
Alright, y'all, I know it's just the little things in life, but to me that looks so cute, and it was affordable because for all three of those together I paid under $15, and it just makes it look so clean and minimal, and it's just pretty. So it encourages me to actually do my laundry and use the products that I have. So let me know in the comments down below if you have done this in an area of your home too. It could be with your cosmetics or your laundry detergent or your pantry. Let me know if changing the way it looked made you feel more encouraged to use the products that you have. So now I'm just going to clean my brushes and then leave them in this little dish drainer to dry. Y'all, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe if you are new, and I will see you back here in the next video. And thank you so much if you are returning. It means a lot to me that y'all continue to watch my videos and get inspired by them. So I hope you loved today's video. My hands are still wet. I'm gonna let my makeup brushes dry, but I will see y'all back here next Tuesday for another video, and I cannot wait. I hope you are excited, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye! Alright, I've left some videos here on the left for you if you need some more cleaning motivation, and if you want to check out my vlog, that is on the right screen of the video.